Okay, so welcome to the Arcs Mechanica Robot Lab. I have a little update about Binny. Binny is our friend here, our newest robot, and he is about to get a significant upgrade. He's getting a new body. I've already 3D printed most of it. Um, Binny is actually a collaboration between myself and Aquarius Cognition, who's working on a computer cognitive model for robotics, similar to what's going on with AI, but kind of completely different. And I'm sure we'll have a future episode with Scott from Aquarius Cognition talking about those kind of details. But right now, I just kind of wanted to show you what is going on with Binny here and how he's going to change. So he has a new body that I just recently designed and 3D printed. And yeah, here's a first look. You know. This is just going to be a short video. I just wanted to give you one last look at Binny in his initial form. And the way we work around here is that we build something and then we immediately start iterating, making it better, realizing that the initial version is not going to be close to what it ends up being. And we just keep growing from there, and hopefully our end product is something that is robust and reproducible. So anyway, there's Binny. Say hi, Binny. And yeah, there'll be more updates showing off his new body and new capabilities in the next coming weeks. All right. So from Arcs Mechanica Robot Lab, until next time.